To start off my FMP, I created mind maps and mood boards based off of the theme structure. For these ones, I looked at structure, plants, shells, society. Then I moved on to making some samples. I created some 3D samples like this, and I also used some wire to manipulate it and how I wanted it to look. For specialist industry practice, I chose things like styling, and I found like job interviews, I did some photo shoots, and then I created them into my own piece based off somebody else's. For this example, it was for Asylum. And then I created lots of fashion illustrations, and then based off my primary and secondary research. Then this is one of my artist studies that I've done. I've done multiple of these throughout my project. As you can see here, this is my first design, my final piece, and where I got the inspiration from. And then here's my second one, and where I got the inspiration from that one. I've showed images of secondary resources. Then I had to include problem solving techniques as well, so I chose to focus on the problem solving from my toile, where things went wrong and where I adjusted it. Then I moved on to my design board, and this board basically had all my images that I had inspiration from and my final piece drawings. And then the same with my sample board. This was all my samples I used in my final pieces or I had inspiration from. And then here is my final location shoot. So my first location was a church, and then my second location was this modern building. Thank you.